At least she hadn't done this yet.
Oh yeah, she's gonna get all of it down. You're gonna get all of it.
Like fun, doesn't it?
I know. I kind of want to play in it.
Say bye-bye.
We all did that, but you don't remember when you're a year old what you did.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Hey, Annabelle, put in your hair. Annabelle.
Where's your head, Annabelle? Annabelle, where's your head?
Where's your head?
Where's your head? Where's your hair?
Said, I'm smarter than that.
Where's your head? Where's your head?
Don't be feeding the dogs.
Get my hand cleaned off.
Yeah.
No, not Scout. He's going home to Daddy.
Where's your head? Where's your head at? Where's your head at?
What?
You hear me? Phil gave him a pit bull. Mouthful of chili the other day.
Annabelle,
Babe.
where's your head?
Look at it. Did you see him trying to get it?
The dogs are having cleanup patrol.
Wow.